Hey, this is Dave from Unipro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Facebook subscriptions to earn additional income every single month. And if you're already creating content and posting on Facebook, this could be an option that you'll want to look into to earn some passive income. So let's dive in. So maybe you've heard about Facebook subscriptions, but you don't know exactly how they work, or maybe this is the first time you've ever heard of creating a subscription on Facebook. In either case, in this video, we're going to walk through what are Facebook subscriptions, how they work, and how you can set yours up to start earning income through the content that you create. So what are Facebook subscriptions? Well, Meta tells us that Facebook subscriptions allow dedicated audiences to support the creators they love with monthly recurring payments. Subscribers get access to perks such as exclusive content, personal interactions, and a subscriber badge. Now, we'll talk more about what you should include in your subscription in just a second. But the main point here is that Meta is giving you a way to monetize your Facebook audience for the content that you already create for them or by creating additional content. And again, we'll get into that in just a second. But you might be wondering who's actually eligible to create a Facebook subscription. And the answer is anyone that's using a business page or a professional mode profile who's been invited to the program. And Facebook will send you a notification when you're able to create your very first Facebook subscription. And I should also mention that right now this program is available only in select countries. You'll see right here, subscriptions availability. Facebook subscriptions is currently available in the following markets, and then Facebook lists out all the countries where this is an available option. You should have access right now, or you'll be gaining access very shortly, and I'll show you in a second where you can check to see if you already have access to create your first subscription. So if you decide to create a subscription that allows your audience to pay you on a recurring monthly basis, what should you include for them? What should they expect? Well, there's two reasons why your audience members might choose to subscribe and pay you on a monthly basis. First, it might be just simply to support you. Maybe they've been consuming your content for a really long time. They've gotten a lot of value from the content that you put out, and they simply want to say, awesome, I love what you're doing, keep doing it. That could be one reason. The other reason is they might subscribe to you and pay you on a monthly basis because of additional value that your typical followers don't get. And this is exactly what Facebook tells us. Why should someone sign up and pay you on a monthly basis? Here's why, according to Facebook. The subscription fee gives them access to exclusive content and other items such as a badge that will identify them as a subscriber. So Facebook's basically saying those people who just simply want to support you, they get a badge saying, yeah, I'm a supporter. It's their way of saying thank you for the content you've created in the past. But then Facebook goes on and says some creators may also offer their subscribers discounts on merchandise and other products. So this suggests that some of your audience members might subscribe to you because of the value they expect to get in the future, either exclusive access to content or, like Facebook said, some sort of discount, some sort of benefit that normal followers don't get. And let me give you a practical example. I'm over here in one of my Facebook groups. This one's called Audience and Influence, New Ways to Gain Massive Engagement on Facebook. To join this Facebook group, it's completely free. Anyone can join and learn lots of strategies about marketing on Facebook. But imagine someone subscribes to me and they're paying me on a monthly basis. And we'll get to fees to charge for your subscription in just a minute. Those people should get something above and beyond what the free members of this Facebook group are getting. So as an example, while all the Facebook strategies that I share in this group are for free, maybe paying subscribers get access to the specific process I go through to create my content each month. Or maybe if I want to add even more value to my subscribers, I could create an entirely separate Facebook group only for paying subscribers, and they get an inside peek to new strategies that aren't shared inside this free group. So that second option, giving subscribers access to a free Facebook group, that's potentially huge value for those subscribers and should be reflected in the price that they pay. Again, more on that in just a minute. But first, let's take a look at how you can see if you're actually eligible to create a paid for subscription and then how to activate it. Now I'm going to walk through the steps on a mobile device because right now this is where you're able to activate your paid for subscriptions. And I want to make mention, this is really important before you walk through these steps. Once you turn on your paid for subscriptions, you cannot turn it off. So definitely watch this entire video and then make the decision whether having a paid for subscription is right for you. So what you want to do is go over to your Facebook profile and you want to click on See Dashboard. This is going to take you over to your professional mode dashboard. And then once you're in that dashboard, you want to go up to the top here to this menu here and you want to look for monetization. Click on monetization. And that's going to take you to this page that shows all the tools that you currently are using and any tools, monetization tools that you have available to set up. And you can see here, I've got subscriptions that's ready to set up. If you see this inside your monetization tools, that means it's available to you. And you simply click on the setup button. Once you click that setup button, Facebook's going to give you some information of the benefits of offering a subscription to your audience. And there's going to be two important choices here. The first is the monthly price that a subscriber will pay to you. And again, this is a recurring subscription, so they're going to be paying you on a monthly basis. And Facebook's going to give you a recommendation. It's actually going to give you the lowest possible price that you can charge for your subscription. And for me in Canada, that's $1.29. So you can click here and choose a different price, and you can change your price in the future. But it's important to know that once someone subscribes to you, that's the price they're going to pay going forward. So if I start a subscription at $1.29 and get 100 people subscribe to me, and then I decide, wow, I'm giving so much value, I'm going to charge $15 for my subscription, all those people who signed up for $1.29, they're going to maintain that $1.29 price. So just keep that in mind when you're setting your price. The second thing that you need to keep in mind when you're setting your price is right here. It's subscriber benefits. And you're going to want to click on that. And it's going to show you some of the potential benefits that you could offer to your paying subscribers. So you could offer exclusive content like we talked about. You could give them discounts to products or services. You give them special live trainings or live videos. You could create a special subscriber group, as I mentioned a minute ago. And you could also give them special recognition, either through a specific post or through the comments that you make on your content. And so on this screen, you're going to want to check off any of these boxes that apply to the subscription that you're going to offer. Again, this is something that can be changed in the future, but it's important to note that when people sign up, they're going to see this. And this is going to set the expectation as to what they're going to get in exchange for them subscribing to you. And one last thing to note here is you don't actually have to check off any of these boxes. You can leave this completely blank. In that case, subscribers are told that the only thing they're guaranteed to get is this right here. It's a subscriber badge. And this is by default. Facebook requires that this is part of your subscription package. People who subscribe, they get a special badge saying, I'm a subscriber. Again, it's their way of saying, thank you, I want to support your content. So go ahead and choose what you're going to put in your subscription, making sure that the value you're offering matches the price you're charging, and go ahead and click update. And once you do that, Facebook's going to walk you through some steps, getting some personal information from you. And once your subscription is live and you go back to that monetization section of your professional mode dashboard, you're going to see some stats showing how much your subscription is growing. And you can see I just launched mine, so there's no activity here, but this is where you will see how many subscribers and how much money you're earning from your subscription program. And then you're going to be able to manage your subscription. We're going to talk about your promotional link in just a second. You can set a goal for how quickly you want to grow your subscription. You can adjust the subscriber benefits as we just talked about. You can promote your subscription through videos, and you can change your subscription price as we just talked about. Now I want to talk about how you actually get paid from Meta as you start taking on subscribers. So the first thing that I want to note is this right here. Meta has said that they will not take any fees from subscriptions through the end of 2024. So whatever subscribers pay you is what you're going to personally earn. And then in terms of payouts, there's a couple things to keep in mind. First, Meta has told us that if you're based in the US, you'll be paid once a month after you reach the minimum balance of $5. However, if you're not located in the US, your minimum balance is going to be significantly higher. If when you set up your subscriptions, you're getting paid either via PayPal or a local bank account, the minimum balance will be $25 and then you'll receive payment. Or if you set up your subscription to be paid via wire transfer, you're going to need to reach the minimum balance of $100. So whichever of those three scenarios applies to you, on a monthly basis, Meta is going to pay you 100% of the revenue earned through your subscription. So maybe you're really excited about starting your Facebook subscription now and you're asking, how am I going to get new subscribers? Well, in order to get subscribers, you need an audience. And you can have an audience in one of three places. Either you can build up an audience of personal friends and followers through your Facebook profile, or you can build up an audience inside a Facebook group. Again, I'm going to go back to one of my Facebook groups here, and you can see that I've got almost 14,000 members, a lot of activity, a lot of value being delivered inside this Facebook group. So this would be a place that I could promote my subscription, and you could as well if you have a growing Facebook group. As a side note, if you do have a Facebook group and you want to grow that Facebook group with leads or people who might choose to subscribe to you, I recorded the 3-step process that I use to add thousands of members to all my Facebook groups. It works for any business. It works for any niche. I'll put a link in the description of this video and you can go download that resource and start using it right now to grow your Facebook group. And the third place you could grow an audience who you could promote your subscription to is through a business page. Now, depending on which of those three types of audiences you have, there are two main ways that you can promote your subscription. The easiest one is right here. And you can see this is a page that Facebook actually creates for you. Once you launch your subscription, Facebook's going to give you a promotional link that you can send people to. And when they click on that link, they're going to come over to this page and they're going to see the benefits that they'll receive when they choose to subscribe to you. So in this case, the only benefit that I'm offering is a subscriber badge. And you can see the price here is $1.29. Someone can click on subscribe. And that's going to set up a monthly recurring payment as we discussed. So you can use that promotional link from anywhere. You can post it on your personal profile. You can post it on your business page content. You can promote it inside your group. You can send it by email. You could send it in Messenger. Anyone who clicks on that link is going to come over to this page and they're going to have the option to subscribe to you. Now, again, it's very important that the price you're asking for your subscription is matched by the value that you're giving. So just keep that in mind when you set up your subscription. That's one way that you can promote your subscription. The other is directly from your profile. And I'm going to show you, I'm over on my profile here and I'm going to click on these 3 dots and then I'm going to go to view as. And this allows me to view my profile as someone else, so someone who visits my profile. And you'll see here there's a button that says subscribe. Now, because I'm just viewing my own profile, you'll see this button is grayed out. I can't actually click on it. But if someone else were to visit my profile, they'd be able to click on this subscribe button. It would take them over to the subscriber page that we just looked at, and they could sign up for my monthly subscription. So that's an overview of Facebook subscriptions, and maybe that'll be a great way for you to earn some passive income for the content that you're already creating, or maybe by creating a little bit of additional content for your subscribers, you can earn some extra income. But for me, I have a secret weapon that allows me to earn thousands and thousands of dollars from Facebook every single month, and that secret weapon is called Unipro. Unipro is a tool that goes out onto Facebook, it finds your ideal leads, it brings those leads over into your audience, it makes sure that those leads see your content, it nurtures those leads, it strikes up conversation with them, and it moves your leads towards making a purchase from you. And if you've got an online business and you use Facebook to get leads and paying clients, you gotta check out Unipro. Go over to unipro.com. I know you're gonna love it. That's what I got for you in this video, all about creating Facebook subscriptions. If this video is helpful, give it a like. If you have any questions about how to use subscriptions, go ahead and leave those in the comment section below. I'm happy to help out. And again, if you're growing an online business and you use Facebook, you gotta check out Unipro. It's been a game changer for my business. I know it will be for you as well. Go over to unipro.com. Thanks for checking out this video. Can't wait to see you in the next video.